Hi, this is a Lexus SC430. I replaced the water pump timing belt, and let me show you. This is a Lexus SC430, and that's the front of the car. I replaced the water pump, the timing belt, and the tensioner pulley, and the main drive pulley. And let me show you the water pump. This is a water pump, as you can see. When you spin it, hear that noise? So it's got a, let me spin it again. See how noisy it is? And it's kind of shaky. See, they use plastic fins now. Again, this is a timing kit, timing belt, tensioner, and this came from O'Reilly's right there. All right, took like 4 or 5 hours. All right, 4.5, so let's make it 5 hours to replace everything. But everything's quiet now, everything's running fine. All right, make sure you replace the water pump as an assembly, okay? Don't just replace the water pump, replace everything. The belt, see, the belt was still good, see, but I replaced it anyway. All right, thank you again. All right, bye.